Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on AABB, Asia Broadband. This has been a pretty popular one, the crypto, gold-backed crypto. I've talked about this one quite a few times here on the channel. Back in March a couple times, here 2 times. This will be the 3rd time in April. Just talked about them on the 14th, and it's been a pretty popular one, so got some more information here about Asia Broadband. Ticker AABB, trades over the counter, so I always recommend Fidelity. If you can't get it there, check out TD Ameritrade. They might charge you a commission though. But back to Asia Broadband, you can see what this one's done here over the last month. Kind of like a lot of other things, kind of on its way down. Here's what it's done over the last week. So 25 cents, just been kind of up and down, kind of stays in this 18 to 25 cent range. And it's currently at 18 cents, and we'll see what it ends up here today. So looks like it keeps bouncing off the line here and actually went below it now. So the 0.188. Like I said, I've talked about this one a couple times and got some updated information here. So they're poised for higher gold token sales following over $1 million recorded in the first 2 weeks. And this is just dated on the 15th. Announced that it recorded over $1 million in AABB gold token sales despite not undertaking an international marketing campaign. The announcement follows a series of methodical steps that saw the company launch the AABB wallet and gold token in collaboration with developer CSHC. The initial token release meets the criteria for a successful cryptocurrency launch per study, indicating that AABB is on course to record higher sales. Which is a good thing for the company and should drive the stock price up as well. And the way I look at this one, it looks like a ground floor opportunity to me. I mean, at 18 cents, it's growing, it's backed by gold, so pretty interesting. So a resource company that produces, supplies, and sells precious and base metals primarily to the Asian market recently made another important stride in its efforts to provide a standard of exchange through its AABBG token. The company announced that it had recorded more than $1 million in sales within the first 2 weeks after the launch of the AABBG on March 22nd. And I had a video released on that date, and it looks like I already talked about that, so I'll try to link all those in the description so you can go back and watch those and get more info about AABB. Gold mine property purchase negotiations with mapping and rock sampling assay results, and this is just dated here today. Is pleased to announce that it received mapping and rock sample results during the ongoing due diligence process regarding the letter of intent to acquire historic production gold mine property and on-site processing facilities in the prolific mining region of Moscato in Jalisco, Mexico. The 200-hectare Los Reyes property, located approximately 3 kilometers from the community of Navidad, at geographic coordinates the following. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. It just kind of goes over the, just like what the article says, the negotiations for mapping and rock sampling. And as you can see, you can find this on Markets Insider. I'll kind of scroll through slowly so you can finish reading. But it kind of goes over the procedures, and some of the most significant gold values were 2.53 grams per ton. In the coming weeks, AABB will be conducting further due diligence and continuing negotiations to acquire Lost Race project that has an estimated $30 million asset value. This goes over more about Asia Broadband, a resource company focused on the production, supply, and sale of precious metals, primarily to Asian markets. The company utilizes its specific geographic expertise, experience, and extensive industry contacts and to facilitate its innovative distribution process from the production and supply of precious and base metals in Mexico. The company has recently released its freshly minted mine-to-token gold-backed cryptocurrency AABB gold token AABBG, and strives to become a worldwide standard of exchange that is secured and trusted, with gold backing an astounding quality relative to other cryptocurrencies. And so I try to learn and talk about cryptocurrencies as much as I can here on the channel, as everybody's getting into them. They're pretty popular, and I'm starting to get into them myself. I have some AABB, I have Dogecoin, just bought some more today. Just did a video on Doge, so by the time this video is out, you should be able to watch the Doge video. This is 29 days ago, 1 month ago. Let's see if there's any recent information here. Not much news update there on Reddit. We'll check out StockTwits, currently at 18 cents. You can see the 52-week low wasn't even at a penny. A 52-week high of 65 cents, a $63 million market cap. Not too bad a volume on this one, 18 million. Price dropping to 18 cents. I thought the volume was going to fly through the roof, but I guess not. 8 to 9 days in a row red, but I ain't selling my shares for cheap. It's just 8 minutes ago. Anything else besides red? A lot of things were red yesterday as well, so technical reasons, but also because I foresee good PR very soon. You know where the door is. Never listen to the fools that scream it's going up tomorrow. And this is a long play. I mean, it's not going to happen overnight. They're doing lots of things. Went from 10 Casa Cuba cigars to like 6 a day. People change. This is interesting. The clock is running soon. We can enjoy a little bear meat. So, like I said, this is a long-term play. I'm in this one for a while, see what happens with it, so. I'm a virgin. 40-year-old virgin, gotta love it. But that's all that I have on Asia Broadband. I just wanted to do a quick video on it and bring that information, as I know a lot of people are watching this one. It's been kind of an interesting, fun one to watch for myself, and so we'll see where this one goes. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. If you're interested in MJ stocks, I'll be turning out a lot of those today, as it is 4:20. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel and promote the videos to other people, and hit that bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.